Hello beautiful people. In this video we are talk about the top 5 the best PC cases in 2021 you can buy Amazon. Here are only better ones. We are a bunch are product researchers and testers. We test, analyze and research new products and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, feature and user feedback. So if you are interested in any product, I have linked to each product description below. You can check if you want. If are new to this channel, please consider subscribing our channel and press the bell icon. PC cases are available in a variety of designs and sizes. They'll hold all of your computer's components, big and tiny. Not only do you get a lot more bang for your buck these days, with RGB lighting and even built-in fan controllers, but most modern cases are also a breeze to assemble. With a little elbow grease, you'll have a fantastic gaming PC to show off to the rest of the world. The greatest PC case not only serves as a starting point for your fantasy gaming PC build, but it can also serve as the finishing touch that distinguishes your machine from the competition. You, too, have a large option to pick from. Some of us love to go big and flamboyant, while others prefer to keep things simple. Of course, you can buy a pre-built gaming PC, but most people will tell you that it's not the same as pouring your heart, soul, and sweat into a PC case that expresses your actual personality. Before you spend any money on a new PC case, you should think about a few things. What type of motherboard are you going to use? What is the size of your graphics card? Number 5. Cooler Master Silencio S600. If you're the type of player who has to be completely focused, a silent PC case is essential. Your previously silent PC can suddenly morph into something that sounds like a screaming jet engine once it starts heating up and fans start blowing at full blast. It's moments like these when a silent PC case comes in handy, and Cooler Master's Silencio series does the job admirably. On the outside, the Silencio S600 mid-tower appears basic, but the inside is packed with clever engineering and high-quality sound dampening materials to help block out any unwanted sounds. Normally, this means a significant reduction in airflow, but the S600, despite its quietness, performs a good job of moving air and keeping things cool. Specifications: form factor, mid-tower motherboard support, ATX, micro ATX, mini X dimensions, 18.8 by 8.2 by 18.5 inches, 478 by 209 by 471 mm weight, 21.4 pounds, 9.7 kilograms. Radiator support, 120 mm, 240 mm, 280 mm, 360 mm/0 ports, 2x USB 3.2 Gen 1, 1x 3.5 mm headset jack, audio plus mic, 1x SD card reader drive bays, 1x 5.25 inch, 5x 2.5 inch, 4x 3.5 inch. Number 4. NZXT H210i. The NZXT H210i is a significantly improved version of the H200i with a front panel USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type-C port. Aside than that, it's the same case, which is a little version of one of our favorite mid-tower chassis, the H710i. The H210i is designed to enable mini ITX configurations and is all about cramming a high-end system into a small, minimalistic box. The case comes with NZXT's Smart Hub, 2 fans, and 1 RGB LED strip, just like its bigger sibling. The H200i is the ideal compromise between smaller ITX setups and bigger mid-sized towers, with plenty of support for liquid cooling and full-sized components. If mini ITX is your thing, check out our list of the top mini ITX cases for more options. Specifications: form factor, mini ITX tower motherboard support, mini X dimensions, 8.3 by 13.7 by 14.6 inches, 210 by 349 by 372 mm weight, 13.2 pounds, 6 kilograms. Radiator support, 120 mm, 240 mm/0 ports, 1x audio/mic, 2x USB 3.1 Gen 1 drive bays, 4x 2.5 inch, 1x 3.5 inch. Number 3. Phanteks Evolv X. The Evolv X is an excellent chassis for anybody looking for a mid-tower instance with a little something extra. Phanteks has built some fantastic cases over the years, but the Evolv X stands out as an outstanding chassis for anyone looking for a mid-tower instance with a little bit extra. That extra feature is the ability to slot 2 systems into its attractive form, enough there's room in the top for an ITX system to sit above the primary ATX system. It will be a tight squeeze, but it is feasible. If your needs aren't as extreme, you'll find it easy to construct in, and there are enough attractive tiny details and unique design choices to accommodate practically any project. There's room in the top, up to 360 mm, and front, up to 420 mm, for all-in-one liquid coolers. It comes with a universal fan hub, 3 Phanteks premium 120mm fans, and cable hiding flaps in the back so it looks excellent from any angle. You can also cram in a ludicrous amount of storage into it. Specifications: form factor, mid-tower motherboard support, EATX, ATX, MATX, Mini-X dimensions, 20.5 by 9.5 by 20.1 inches, 240 by 520 by 510 mm weight, 33 pounds, 15 kilograms. Radiator support, 120 mm, 140 mm, 240 mm, 280 mm, 360 mm, 420 mm/0 ports, 2x USB 3.0, 1x USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type-C, 1x headphone, 1x microphone. Drive bays, 6x 2.5 inch, 4x 3.5 inch. Number 2. Corsair Carbide 275R. The Carbide 275R, one of Corsair's greatest cases, may be the ultimate minimalist's case. Aside from a small sail emblem on the front panel, the 275R is devoid of additional branding in favor of a minimalist appearance for the style-conscious. The look is simple, but the functioning isn't. The Carbide 275R, unlike NZXT's comparably minimalist S340, can take a 360mm radiator in the front and up to 6 120mm fans. The 275R is a fantastic case for beginners and professional users wishing to construct a stylish custom loop at a reasonable price of $80. Specifications: form factor, mid-tower motherboard support, ATX, micro ATX, Mini-X dimensions, 18.1 by 8.3 by 17.9 inches, 460 by 211 by 455 mm weight, 22.4 pounds, 10.14 kilograms. Radiator support, 120 mm, 140 mm, 240 mm, 280 mm, 360 mm/0 ports, 1x audio/mic, 2x USB 3.0 drive bays, 3x 2.5 inch, 2x 3.5 inch. Number 1. Cooler Master Cosmos C700P. The C700P, like the original Cooler Master Cosmos, is a heavy beast with a hefty price tag. However, we believe it is worthwhile to spend the money. Features that will support even the most high-end components are matched by a gorgeous handlebar design, curved glass panel, and elegant color scheme, including EATX motherboards and oversized GPUs. With a bigger footprint, you won't be pressed for room, making it a joy to build onto. Furthermore, the RGB lighting is subdued enough not to be distracting when gaming. Yes, this is a significant investment in an enclosure. Those that are willing to go all out on a build, on the other hand, will receive a case that includes everything they need to make a magnificent PC. Specifications: form factor, full tower motherboard support, EATX, ATX, micro ATX, Mini-X dimensions, 25.2 by 12 by 25.6 inches, 639 by 306 by 651 mm weight, 48.9 pounds, 22.2 kilograms. Radiator support, 120 mm, 140 mm, 240 mm, 280 mm/0 ports, 1x audio/mic, 1x USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type-C, 4x USB 3.0 drive bays, 2x 2.5 inch, 8x 3.5 inch.